How to make money on Temu affiliation program. First of all, join the program. So sign up on Temu's official affiliate portal at temu.com/affiliaterecruit.html. Once approved, you'll receive a unique referral code to share. Now promote your code through various channels, for example, social media or blogs or YouTube by creating an unboxing or product review videos. To earn commissions, you earn a 20% commission on qualifying purchases made through your referral code. This includes both new signups and purchases by referred users. Now, all you need to do is optimize your strategy. So to maximize earnings, target popular products, so focus on trending or highly rated items. Engage with your audience, so respond to comments and messages to build trust, and you can track your performance. So use analytics tools to monitor which platforms and content types yield the best results. And stay updated, of course, as Temu occasionally updates its affiliate program terms and promotions. Regularly check the affiliate portal for the latest information. Thanks for watching.